AI coding tools are evolving so fast that choosing the wrong one can actually waste weeks of your workflow. So today we're going to look into OpenCode versus Cline. So let's get started. So OpenCode, okay, it's actually an open source AI coding assistant focused on speed, flexibility, and developer control. It's designed for people who want lightweight workflows, terminal first interactions, and the freedom to plug in different models. Whereas Cline, it's more like an autonomous AI software engineer inside your editor. So it can read files, plan tasks, modify code bases, run commands, and execute it multiple step workflows with less manual prompting. So benefits of using OpenCode is that it's speed and lightweight workflow. So you there's no bloated user interface or no unnecessary abstraction, and you have more control, like you decide the models, prompts, and workflow structure. And if you already live in terminals, Git, or VS Code shortcuts, then OpenCode fits naturally into your workflows, and it's open source and transparent and easier to tweak compared to other closed AI tools. It's a autonomous task handling, so it can take higher level instructions and actually execute multiple coding steps for you. And it's great for large refactors, and it's also beginner friendly, like you don't need elite prompting skills to use it. So it feels more like an AI engineer. When it works well, it generally feels like pairing with another developer. On the downside of here on OpenCode is that the learning curve, you have a steep learning curve, okay, which might be difficult for beginners, and is less autonomous, and you may spend extra time configuring models, APIs, and workflows here. Client here, it can be like, oversteep too. Like sometimes client gets too confident and starts making sweeping changes that you didn't ask for, so might be an issue. And it has slower workflow because handling more context and planning, so it can feel a bit slower. And also it requires supervision because you need to review everything carefully, because AI confidence is not the same as AI code quality. So it's better to, like, supervise if you when you're using this. So I would say, you can, for beginners, you can choose Client because it's easier to understand, more guided, and better at helping you move without deep any AI workflow knowledge. For intermediate developers, if you want productivity with less setup, then Cline wins. But if you want speed and control, then OpenCode starts becoming more beneficial for you. Okay. Whereas for advanced developers and power users, then obviously OpenCode is probably the best tool for you because it gives the flexibility, speed, and deeper workflow.